He said he don't like that time change. How many of y'all do like when the time change? Who like when that time change, y'all? It look like they still open. 10:30. Let me see. Oh, snap! Am I finna lose an hour or gain an hour? Shit, I probably gotta go in the house early here. I'm finna lose an hour. I gotta make a 2-hour drive in the morning. Okay. Somebody looked at him do it and said, "Genius!" Yo, about to hit. Hey, here's another drink. Yeah, give me another drink. Don't get mad, you can't. Yeah, another drink. Give me another drink. I'm about to give me another drink. Hold up a bottle of cup. I done drunk me a bottle of pain. Yeah, pour me another drink. Yeah, I done pour me another drink. Buy me a double cup. Fuck around, throw a paint. Yeah, got paint. Mix it with the cup. Come through, man, hold up. I was fucked up, like what? The track coming through, spin back. Turbo car just blew up, ain't nobody got no back. Yo, blew up the front axle. Hey, hold on in the hood. Man, I really wish you would. Got it too understood. Hey, red little Honda on big wheels.
Your attention in the pits, you got about 20 minutes on the staging lane. You got a garage ready. You need to bring them onto the lanes now. It's not getting any more.
Got 20 minutes. I got 20 minutes. About to go get a double cup like what's up? Yeah. 20 minutes, then I'm in it. Yeah, you know I'm in it, trying to win it. Woo. Crack go hot at 2. In the pit, we have a 67. Pro time, no time. No games. Ooh-wee. Did you get a good shot of that one? Okay, you got a good beginning shot.
He carried that motherfucker the whole
Yeah,
way.
he carried that big.
I'm surprised he stayed in it that long.
Yeah, you all the way down the track. right there. Somebody clip that. Did somebody clip that? About to go ahead and fill my cup. Go fill my cup. Tennessee and some other drink. Like, what the fuck? Go ahead. Alrighty guys, coming up next we have our Turbo Honda. It is all red with slicks in the front. They have low air pressure, but this Turbo Honda will put air in those tires as he does his thing. Going down the track, coming up next. I need to pull this turbo up. And the right side Mustang is running. Oh, so sick. Listen to this baby roar. We have the MJ's Too Fast Cutlass, around the year 1980 model. 79 is the year that they start making them this body style. This is still considered a G-body.